Dietary fiber is the part of plant foods that cannot be digested by the human body. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Both types play important roles in maintaining good health. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and adds bulk to stools, which prevents constipation. Soluble fiber absorbs water, forming a gel-like substance in the digestive system. By doing so, it reduces the absorption of cholesterol and sugar into the bloodstream, which helps lower blood cholesterol and blood sugar respectively. So, in this video, we are going to look at 8 foods rich in fiber. Number 1. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins C, E, K, B2, B3, B5, B6, folate, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, copper, and manganese. A 100 grams sized avocado contains around 7 grams of fiber, which is certainly a good amount. They are also a rich source of plant-based antioxidants, which fight against many chronic disease conditions. Number 2. Beans. Beans are inexpensive, simple to prepare, and healthy. A 100 grams serving of cooked beans provide approximately 16 grams of fiber, which is a huge amount. In addition to their great nutritional value, beans have many other health benefits, such as promoting heart health and aiding in weight loss. Number 3. Popcorn. Popcorn is one of the best snacks to eat if you want to increase your fiber intake. Air-popped popcorn contain about 15 grams of fiber per 100 grams serving. However, it is important to keep in mind that if you add a lot of fat, the fiber-to-calorie ratio will decrease significantly. Number 4. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are highly nutritious, containing high amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. They may also be the single best source of fiber on the planet, because they contain about 34 grams of fiber per 100 grams serving. Number 5. Whole grains. Whole grains have been a part of the human diet for thousands of years. Eating whole grains is associated with various health benefits, including a lower risk of diabetes and heart disease and a healthy blood pressure. As an average value, whole grains contain around 7 grams of fiber per 100 grams serving. Some varieties of whole grains include oatmeal, millet, quinoa, brown rice, whole rye, wild rice, bulgur, and buckwheat. Number 6. Berries. Berries are extremely popular for their antioxidant properties, but they are rich in fiber too. Just a cup of fresh blueberries provides approximately 4 grams of fiber. Blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries are also great sources of fiber. Number 7. Almonds. Almonds are a very popular type of tree nut. They're very high in many nutrients, including healthy fats, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. The fiber content in almonds is about 13 grams per 100 grams serving. Number 8. Dark vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Dark vegetables provide good amounts of dietary fiber. Additionally, they are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, other B vitamins, potassium, iron, and manganese. Finally, dark vegetables also have antioxidant properties, which protect you from many disease conditions.